Hey guys, this hammer is just for my thumbnail to talk about how hard these Dirt Trick zirconium sprockets are. You can see there's zirconium color when I clean it off here. It's actually pretty cool looking sprocket. But the beauty of it is you're not wearing it out nearly as fast. So what do I want? I want less maintenance. I'm not tightening my chain as much. I'm not worried about, grit and grime tearing it up as much. The steel holds up way better than the aluminum. My aluminums, I was ramping these off, and towards the end I was shaving 10 or 15 teeth off. It's not going to happen with the sprocket. The other thing I decided to give an experiment with was this X-ring chain. This thing's holding up really well too. You do add a hair of weight, but it's negligible in a 2019 YZ450, as you know, plenty of power to deal with that. Standard front steel sprocket up here, and I really like the setup. So I highly recommend it. I'll put some links down below to everything I used here. Dirt Trick zirconium, X-ring chain, standard steel sprocket in the front. Gave me way less maintenance, deals with the gritty sand way better, doesn't wear out as quick, and I'm not swapping them out. So I love that idea. I leave the bike in the van and go ride. So I will also include a video link to my theory on chain lube. I'm going to end the debate forever. Just kidding. It's just a theory, and see what you guys think of it, and we'll go with that. I hope this helps you guys out, and please subscribe. Thank you very much.